Alright, bought some solid cast resin cars for my N-scale railroad. Show you how easy these are to put together. Got 7 bodies, got 7 sets of tires to go with it. We'll put one together and show you guys how easy it is to do. Alright, first thing you want to do when you get these, give them a good wash with soap and water. Now get rid of any oil or mold release that may be on them. Give it a good drying. I took a little bit of emery paper and had it on a metal plate, sanded down the bottoms, get that flat, and get rid of some of the rough edges. Take a knife, run it through here, get rid of some of the rough spots left over from the casting. And once you get this all cleaned up, you're ready to put a little primer on it. Get ready for paint. Okay, got them all primered and went ahead and painted them, let them dry overnight. Did some different colors, fire red on this one. So now we're ready to mount the tires to them. A little hint for you on painting. I take a piece of wire, bend it to a U shape. That way you can prop your cars up there and you can get the bottom edges painted up pretty good. Set them flat, a lot of times the paint will spray up and you'll miss the edges. Bring this up a little bit, you get a little bit better paint coverage on the bottom edges. So, ready to mount some tires. Alright, to mount the tires to the vehicle, we'll use super glue and just a little bit of a dot. And the hard part, picking up the little tires. I'll use a pair of tweezers. Just press it, hold it into place for a little bit. Wait till it sets. And we'll go ahead and do the other 3 tires, get them mounted. Okay, I went and put all the tires and wheels on these. Now to detail these out, got a silver Sharpie marker. Now if it shows up, go ahead and we can color in the bumpers, front and rear. Now the disadvantage to these being solid cast, the windows, you can't see through them. So what I do, I take a little bit of a dark gray, I put it on a dental tool, and we just color them in. And the color you use for your glass, you can vary that by the color that you painted. This one here I did a gray color, so I did the windows black on that one to blend it in. You take your silver pen, do the hubcaps and wheels. On the windows I'm using a medium gray. And then for the headlights, wipe this off. Old dental pick comes in handy. Just light gray. Put a little dot on your dental pick. It gets a little bit wild. You just take your finger and rub it off. This I'm using acrylic paint. The paint I used on the exterior is enamel, so you can wipe off little mistakes, let them dry. So these make nice little background vehicles. Slide this in. So now I've got some cars to set up on the track. Different colors, orange, green, couple black, gray, real dark blue. So not too bad. Easy to make some cars using solid resin castings.